Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here in this channel, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you wish to know on how to boost your Instagram post, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. The very first thing that we have to do is to open our Instagram application. So now here, we just have to go directly to this profile icon, which will lead us to our profile page. So now in here, let's just go and turn our account to a professional account. So that means you're going to change your or switch your account to creator mode or business mode. So how do we do that? So my account is already in creator mode. So let me just turn that one off so that I'll be able to show you on how to switch your account to a professional account. So now I switched to personal account already. So let's just navigate the same process. So now I'm here in my home or my profile page. So now let's just go on and click these three lines over there. And then go on and look for account type and tools, this one. So just click that one and we'll be able to see this switch to professional account. Click that. So we'll just have to search for categories that best describes you. So let's just choose one so you have the option if you wanted to display this on your profile. So let's try to toggle this one on and switch to professional account. So after waiting, it will lead you to this. So in here, what type of professional are you? Are you a creator or a business? So let's go and try to click business. It will actually depend on what kind of business, what kind of professionality you are doing. So now we have to put our contact info so that our audience or our target audience will be able to see or will be able to reach us easily. So we can also display this contact info in our profile so that they'll be able to contact us easily. So just toggle that one on if you wanted to. But if not, you can also simply toggle this one off. So now just click next. So after that, it will load for a while depending on your connection. But then after that, it will be able to lead you to further your setup of the professional account. So just follow what you are told in here and you'll be able to set up your professional account further. So let's just close that one. So now how I can boost a post. So enable for us to boost a post. So boosting a post is essential because it basically boost your post so that there will be a lot of people who will be able to see your content. So now let's try to choose this one. For example, I'm going to choose this post. So here in the right lower corner of the picture, we have here this boost post. So just click that. So it will just load, just wait for a while. So now in here we have this goal. So what do you want people to do when they see your ad? Would you want them to visit your profile, visit your website, or message you? So it is recommended here to visit your profile because it will much likely see your posts in there and will know your page more and what is your account all about. So it's recommended in here, so let's just click next. So just read everything in here and just choose what suits you best. So for instance, in selecting audience, if you wanted to let Instagram have you, or if you wanted Instagram to suggest an audience, so just click this one. But if ever you wanted to create your own, you can also customize that one in here, as well as the audience name if you wanted to, their location and the minimum age, and so on. So just click next. I'm just going to go for suggested audience. So now in here, what's your ad budget? So you can just drag this if you have a more budget or what budget suits you best. Just drag this one. So you can set duration and so on in here. So it will give you an estimated reach. So you will have $18 for 6 days since $3 a day and multiplied by 6 days. So now, if you're going to choose this plan or your budget, you'll be able to have an estimated reach of 1,100 to 3,000 people. So it will depend on you. If you'll just choose the $1 for daily budget, then you'll be able to reach 370 to 990 people. So it depends on you. So let's click the next. So now here we have a preview ad. So it will depend on you if you wanted to have this or view or have a preview of your ad. So in the payment method, it's up to you as to what card you're going to be using. So it will be now your time to set up your payment method so that you'll be able to go on and proceed to boosting your post. So that's it, you're good to go. So if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content, and also hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next one.